Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are learning Quran reading lessons with Tajweed, and today is the second lesson. In this class, inshallah, we are going to start the second surah, Surah Al-Falaq. So I will read first. So before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, and similarly for Urdu videos Online Islamic Classes Urdu, so please subscribe both channels. Inshallah you will be updated for the new videos. Now we start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Suratul Falaq Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل, we read Qaf in heavy sound. أعوذ, we read Hamza sound, then Ain sound, so make different both letters. A'udhu. So here is Waw Madda and we long Ain sound. A'udhu. Ra we read in heavy sound, Ba we connect with the Lam. Bil Rabbil Falaq. On the Qaf we read this Qaf in heavy sound, and also we make Qalqala. So there are 5 Qalqala letters. Qutubu Jaddin. Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. So if these 5 letters come with Sukoon sign on it, at that time we make Qalqala. Qalqala means the vibration sound or the bouncing sound, as we say Falaq. So this sound in the end. Okay, so make sure when blue colors come, so you will make this Qalqala there. So we say again, قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق. On the Mir, you will hide the sound of Noon as it is Ikhfa. So we say Min Sharri. Ra we did in light sound due to Kasra under the Ra. Ma we long Alif Madda is there. Kha we read in heavy sound. On the Qaf we read heavy sound, and also we make Qalqala. So we say all. Min Sharri ma khalaq. من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. On the Wamiyo Sharri, so we make again Ikhfa here. Ra we read in light sound. Ghain we read heavy sound, and we long also Ra due to Alif Madda. Ghasiqin Iza. After the Tanween there is Hamza. If after the Noon Sakin or Tanween, if Hamza like mean throttle letters come, so we make Izhar. So here it is Izhar. That's why we are making the clear sound of Noon. So we say Ghasiqin Iza Waqab. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Zal we long due to Alif Madda. Iza Waqab. On the Ba we make Qalqala, and that is strong Qalqala. There are three types of qalqala. The one is weak, second is strong, and the third is strongest. So here is a strong qalqala, like the middle one. Inshallah, I will explain when you make weak qalqala and when you make strong qalqala and when you make strongest qalqala. You can also watch my videos on qalqala under this video in the description. You can see there. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ وَمِن شَرِّ نفاثات في العقد. On the noon again we make ikhfa sound. The ra we read in light sound. On the noon there is a shad sign. On the noon we make ghunna. And then this fa and sa we long 1 second, and then fil uqad on the qaf we read this heavy sound, and on the dal we make a strong qalqala. So we say all together. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ وَمِن شَرِّ حاسد إذا حسد. وَمِن شَرِّ. On the noon we make ikhfa sound. Ha we long due to alif madda. After the tanween there is hamza. Again we make izhar as we say hasidin iza. Okay, the noon sound we make clear. Iza, again alif madda. Before the alif there is fatha sign. On the dal we make qalqala. So we say again. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. We read all together. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ مِن شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. So Alhamdulillah, we completed this surah. Inshallah, in the next class, we will come with the new surah. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.